Hello, welcome to Maths with Noise. We are solving a question of differentiation. A curve has equation y equals to 3x squared plus 15 whole power 2 over 3. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where x equals to 2. Now, in order to find equation of normal, first we'll have to find the gradient of tangent. And in order to do that, we'll have to differentiate the equation of the curve. So let's first differentiate it. So dy over dx would be, so first we'll differentiate the outside of the bracket. So this will be 2 over 3x squared plus 15. I will reduce the power, so this will be minus 1 over 3, and then multiplied by derivative of inside the bracket, so this will be just 6x. Okay, so this will be 12x over 3x squared plus 15 1 over 3. Okay, now we need to find the derivative at x equals to 2. So this will be 12 2 over 2 square plus 15 1 over 3. So 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 15 is 27, and cube root of 27 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So the denominator is 9 and the numerator is 12 2s are 24. I can further reduce it to 8 over 3. Okay, so this is the gradient of the tangent. In order to find the gradient of normal, which is perpendicular to tangent, so I will reciprocal this and multiply it by negative. So this will be minus 3 over 8. So this is the gradient of the normal. Now let's find the equation. So y equals to mx plus c. So we need to find the corresponding y value. So let's find the value of y at x equals to 2. So this will be y equals to 2 square plus 15 2 over 3. So 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 15 is 27, cube root of 27 is 3, 3 square is 9. So y would be equals to 9 at x equals to 2. So we'll substitute all the values. So 9 equals to minus 3 over 8 into 2 plus c. So I will multiply this, so this will be 6, and I will take this to the other side, so this will be 9 plus 6 over 8 c, and this will be, so 8 9s is 72, 72 plus 6 is 78, so c is 78 over 8. Now we can write our equation. So y equals to minus 3 over 8x plus 78 over 8. I will take 1 over 8 common and take it to the other side. So this will be 8y equals to 78 minus 3x. This is the equation of our normal. I have also plotted graphs for better understanding, so let's have a look. So the line in orange, the curve, is our equation of the curve. Okay, and this light blue colored line is derivative line, graph of derivative. So at x equals to 2, we have dy over dx 8 over 3, which is 2.667, and so line in blue is the tangent line at x equals to 2, and the perpendicular line, which is in green, is the normal line. So here's the visual representation. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much.